Rory, look, Rory. Rory, look, I'm a fairy. Oh yeah, well, I'm a witch. Well, I can fly. See? Yeah, well, I can cast spells with my wand. Yeah. Die! Because, like, pretend that didn't work on me, though, because, like, I'm invisible. Don't you mean, like, invincible? No. Okay, well, I can hunt. I'm, like, the best hunter on this planet. Well, I'm a vegetarian because I don't like to eat my friends. None of us fairies do, like you witch girls. Okay, well, screw your vegetarians. Well, screw your wand. Owie! One. My wand. Well, now you're cursed. Well, I cursed you first. I'm telling Mom. Not if I tell her first. I'm telling Mom. No, please don't. I didn't mean to. I promise I didn't mean to do that. I forgive you. Okay, just please don't tell Mom.